Something really embarrassing happened to me yesterday, Ethan.
Someone asked me.
Hey, how's it going?
I knew every word. I knew exactly what he said. But my mind just froze.
How long?
Maybe 5 seconds. But it felt like forever.
And then?
I finally answered, I am absolutely fine. Thank you very much. He smiled, said, cool, and walked away.
Your English wasn't wrong. It just didn't sound natural.
So, correct English isn't always real English?
That's today's secret. And once you understand it, people won't just understand you, they'll enjoy talking to you.
So, where do most learners go wrong?
They try to impress people instead of talking to people. Let's test it. I say something, you answer naturally. Ready?
Let's do it.
How are you?
Perfect. Short. Friendly.
Perfect.
Short, friendly, natural.
Because conversations aren't English exams.
I wish someone had told me that years ago.
Okay, teach me. How do I sound more natural?
I'm not going to teach you. I'm going to test you. First question. Someone says, "Nice to meet you." What's your answer?
It is a pleasure to meet you too.
Not bad, but in everyday life, most people simply say, "Nice to meet you too."
That's it?
That's it. Natural English loves simple answers.
Okay. Give me another one.
Your friend shows you a photo from vacation. What's the first thing you say?
The scenery is very beautiful.
That sounds like a travel documentary. Try this. Wow, that's beautiful. Or, that place looks amazing.
I really do sound like a textbook.
Don't blame yourself. Most learners study English, but they rarely hear how people actually speak.
So, what's the easiest way to sound natural?
Here's a simple rule. If you can say it in 5 words, don't use 15.
I like that. Easy to remember.
And trust me, simple English is powerful English.
Okay, let's make this harder. Real situation. No practice.
Deal. You're at a coffee shop. It's your turn to order. Go.
I would like to order 1 cappuccino, if possible.
Nothing wrong with that. But listen to this. Can I get a cappuccino, please?
That sounds so much easier.
Because that's how conversations work. People don't try to sound perfect. They try to sound clear.
Okay, one more.
The cashier says, "Anything else?"
No, thank you. That will be all.
Very polite. But most people just say, "That's it. Thanks."
So I've been making simple conversations complicated.
Exactly. Here's something to remember. Natural English isn't faster. It just feels lighter.
I like that.
Lighter, not harder. And here's today's challenge. The next time you speak English, don't ask, Is this perfect? Ask, would I say this in my own language? If the answer is yes, keep talking.
That might be the best advice I've heard all week.
Before we finish, let's play one last game.
Uh-oh. I know what's coming.
It's called Fix My English. I'll say a sentence. You make it sound more natural. Ready?
Let's do it. Round 1.
I am very hungry.
I'm starving.
Perfect. Round 2. It is very cold today.
It's freezing.
Exactly. Short and natural. I have no money.
I'm broke.
Now you sound like a native speaker. Round 4. I am very tired.
I'm exhausted. Or I'm so tired.
Both work. Nice. Last one. I don't know.
No idea.
That's today's winner. Simple. Natural. Easy.
I actually enjoyed that. It didn't feel like studying.
That's the goal. Learn English without feeling like you're learning English.
You know, I just realized something.
What's that?
Today, I didn't learn more English. I learned how to use the English I already knew.
And that's the biggest difference. Fluent speakers don't always know more words. They use simple words with confidence.
I wish someone had told me this when I started learning English. It would have saved me so much stress. Here's your challenge. The next time you speak English, don't try to sound perfect. Just try to keep the conversation going. And if you make a mistake, keep talking. Don't stop.
Because confidence grows while you're speaking, not while you're waiting.
Next time someone asks, "How are you?"
Don't panic.
Just answer naturally.
And in our next episode, we'll solve another problem that almost every English learner has. How to think in English without translating.
That one's going to change the way you speak. Thanks for listening. We'll see you in the next episode.